and the leftovers, I'm going to go and have mine with Gary again because I'm not gonna let this winter go by without getting my baby's picture in the snow. Like, all the snow has melted away. We actually washed our rug and we're finishing up the drying process downstairs outside, as you can see. Hi guys, this is 2 days after Boxing Day. I hope that I am in frame. It's not bad. We're gonna manage it. Looking for the best. I can't stand up again. I'm looking for the best lightning. It's so gloomy outside. I just got done, having an everything shower. Like, I washed my hair, deep conditioned it, and then I had my bath, guys. I just spent the last 2+ hours doing all of that. And this is why I have not washed my hair in so long. Guys, the cornrows that I just took out, I made them sometime in early October. This is end of December. That means I probably washed my hair at the end of September, or maybe 1st or 2nd of October. I don't even remember the dates that I made the last cornrow, but almost 3 months now since I washed my hair last. I am not proud of that. I mean, like, so many things have just been happening and just felt like I did not have time to actually wash my hair, yeah. So that is why it has taken me this long to take down the cornrows. Like, I didn't want to take down the cornrows because I didn't want to like do a lazy wash for the hair because it was already old. So I wanted to like do the proper washing, deep conditioning, and all of that. So now I have time and I did it and I'm happy. So I just have my hair in like some plaits, like some chunky braids. Tomorrow I'll blow dry it. I can't do that today because Obi has been waiting for me. We want to watch Squid Game 2, season 2. And I'm hoping we'll have time to do the gingerbread activity that I got. Like, we're supposed to do this maybe on Christmas Day or Boxing Day, but on Boxing Day I was so exhausted, guys. I think did I mention it in this vlog? I don't even know, but I don't want to bore you with all that talk, but just know that I was tired. And I had to come upstairs to nap for a bit. And anyway, long story, we didn't do it. We didn't do the activity on Boxing Day. And then on the day after Boxing Day, which was yesterday, what happened? I don't know. The day just flew by. And you guys, I've been posting every day online since maybe 2 days before Christmas or 3 days before Christmas. I think since on the 22nd. So like, I've been busy, like pushing out content and all of that. It's like I'm just running from one place to the other, especially on Christmas Day. It was so funny. I'm like, I beg go, this thing is not easy. Anyway, I just wanted to pick up the vlog today again. So right now I'm just going to go. Obi grilled some, he made some grilled beef yesterday. We had that with Gary yesterday evening. It was so good. It was so good. And the leftovers, I'm going to go and have mine with Gary again because yeah, I've just not been in the mood since after Christmas Day. I've not been in the mood to cook. I've not cooked since then. Okay, this morning I made some pancakes, but like, I've not cooked since Christmas Day. We've just been eating leftovers, and I love that for us. I love that for me. What else do I want to say? So I'm gonna have that, and maybe later on I'm gonna make popcorn. Either ways, I'm going to show you guys. I hope you guys had a lovely Christmas celebration, and I can't wait for all the great things that we're gonna do in 2025. I'm so excited. Like, I'm super excited for 2025. Bobo, are you learning?
Yeah, let's go with that. Help me here. Yeah. Right. Then you. Yeah. Okay, let's use your 2 hands. Come on, still keep things. Look about it. Still have some. Oh, sorry.
Welcome to the vlog. Hi guys, welcome back. I've not been vlogging for a minute, but you just might not notice because I've been giving you guys vlogs back to back. So I just wanted to, pop in here. Today I decided to pick up the vlog because something interesting is happening right about now. I'm taking that little guy there, We are taking him to his first swimming lessons. Oh my god, like, so his daddy enrolled him for like the beginner swimming lesson. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it's going. And today is his first day, and I'm so excited. And I just wanted to go and watch him do his thing. My baby, my boo. So yes, that is the focal point of today's vlog. It's going to be short and sweet. So see whatever other thing we get around to doing, and yeah, I'll vlog it and I'll see you guys later. I just wanted to pop in here and introduce the vlog because we kind of ran out of the house. Appointment is for 11 and it's 10:46. Yeah, since we've not been there before, we just wanted to make it on time. And the cold is colding because like just me breathing. Did you notice like you're just breathing and then the smoke cloud, or what do they call that thing? It's just like bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Nice to meet you.
Absolutely.
Nice to meet you. Oh, right. So.
Hi guys, you guys saw it was so good. Like the experience was so fun. I think the next time I'm the one that's gonna go in the water for sure. Like I felt like I was missing out. Look at my baby. Mobo, did you enjoy it? It was smiling just now. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. You were smiling just now. Did you enjoy it? You did. Yes. So yeah, finish your food. Like, it was so good. I don't know, it was so fun, so much fun. Aside from just it being for them to get acquainted with the water, I think it's a good bonding time for parent and the child. So yeah. Happy Saturday, guys. No objection, eh? Hmm? You enjoying it? Wow. Hi guys. I just decided to pick up the vlog because we came upstairs to get ready for our photos. We want to go take pictures outside in the snow. I'm nothing crazy, just by our corridor, this little snow that we have there. That's what I want to make do of, because I'm not quite in the mood to go on a walk. And if we even go on the walk, I don't know if there's any suitable location where we would have like heaps of snow to play in and take photos. So that's the agenda. I mean, I'm not gonna let this winter go by without getting my baby's picture in the snow. Like, even babies that were born yesterday already have pictures, their own picture taken in the snow. Like, mommy, what are you doing? What are you doing? So that's what I want to go do outside. I hope we get something good, something nice. Going all to different places, different planets. But your aura passed me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive, get down dirt, black eye. You want some love, like when you feel caught in a midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I never hoped for, baby. I was hoping maybe never crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. Going on to different places, different planets. But your aura passed me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I could? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trace the stars that quick to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantee. too. Bye bye. We just got back in, as you can see. I still have some snow in my ear. We took the pictures. I'm going to see if I got anyone that is good. It's not easy because we have just a small area to work with. But yeah, I'm going to put the few nice ones that we get for you to see. And I think I'm going to close out the vlog here. Yeah, let's just close out the vlog here. No much ceremony for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you've not already, give the video a thumbs up. If you're yet to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Tell me, like, why are you not subscribed? You're watching, you're not subscribed. Like, wagwan. So kindly subscribe, leave a comment, and while you're at it, leave a snowman emoji. Yes, we just came in from playing in the snow. My hand is freezing. Which can play with that? Oh, it was going down. Bubble, I said you. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next vlog. Bye.
Would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know. Can we trust the stars about to let us know?